In this video, I'll be sharing with you 5 of the best drone spots around Lake Tahoe. What's up guys, I'm Gabriella and welcome to my channel. This is where I'll be sharing with you some of the prettiest spots around Lake Tahoe along with a few photography tips and tricks. So if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Lake Tahoe is one of the best places for capturing stunning drone footage. From the curvy roads to the mountains to the turquoise water, Lake Tahoe is extremely photogenic from an aerial perspective. So if you're looking for a little drone inspiration around Lake Tahoe, then this video is for you. Here are 5 of the best drone spots in Lake Tahoe. You guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I would love to know where some of your favorite spots are around Lake Tahoe, so please feel free to share that in the comments below. I've also linked the written blog version of this video in the description below, which has a little more information on some of the locations in this video. And if you're interested in reading up on current drone rules and regulations, or you're wondering how to register your drone, I've also linked that in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you soon.